At Synjuk Wahingdoh Secondary School, we believe every child deserves an opportunity to shine. Admissions are now open for the academic year 2025 from nursery to class 9. Managed by the Wahingdoh Dorbar Shnong and affiliated with the Meghalaya Board of School Education, we are proud to offer quality, affordable education to families seeking a brighter future for their children. Our campus is a hub of learning and growth with Wi-Fi connectivity, a resourceful library, a modern computer lab, and even an open-air gym. Students enjoy midday meals, study tours, and an annual activity week that sparks curiosity and creativity. Join a school where dedicated teachers nurture young minds to excel academically, socially, and beyond. Synjuk Wahingdoh Secondary School, your partner in shaping tomorrow's leaders. Visit us in Wahingdoh, Shillong to collect your admission forms during school hours. For more details, call us in the numbers displayed on the screen and follow us on Instagram. Together, let's build a brighter future.